This is the 2011 Chevy Avalanche. It has 130,000 miles on it. I'm gonna go ahead and walk around the outside here, and then I'll show you the interior. It's a pretty good looking truck. Starting with the driver's side. Here we are. There is some rips in this driver's seat. Sorry if you can see that. The passenger side looks good. Sunroof there. I'll show you the back seats as well. Here they are. And these look in good condition as well. Here we are. If this is something you are interested in, go ahead and give me a call at 317-456-1630. I'd be more than happy to schedule time for you to come take a look at it, take it for a test drive.